Yes, people, check it out. I went to the car culture show. It was in Westfield in Shepherd's Bush, and oh mate, look at the whips. You seeing these? Look at this. These M3s look absolutely mint. There's a nice BM bike. I can't tell you the model. I'm ashamed. This looks like a 370. Look, we got Fat Boy's brother Kai's. He made it on the show. Welcome. So yeah, they joined us on the show. It was nice. There was this Golf GTI was mint. Bay was shaved, so clean, stunning. But look at this. The Z4 made it on the show. Can you believe it? I sent him an old email and said, look, can the Z4 come? Can you made it? Look, plates on, cars looking mint. Loads of work to get here though. Some madness has happened. Join us for this journey. So I had to go see Rob because, well, my exhaust was just hanging. One of the exhaust hangers broke, so I had to go see him. And I was like, look, can we just quickly try and stick weld it up for the show? Because I didn't have much time. So I was like, yeah, let's just try. He had a new. I gave him I had a welder sitting there for years. So I gave it to him, and I was like, I can't weld. Yeah, well, he's a detailer, so it wasn't. It was just mate. It's just a mate helping me out. So I was like, let's try it. It was a disaster, and we ended up at Flowtech, but I'll talk about that in a sec because while we were there, I thought, yes, let's just do the calipers. Because it was the only thing letting the car down, really, and I ain't really sorted my life out with the big brake kit, so yeah, done the calipers. Painted them red, look at it, looks lovely. So it was just literally a quick job. I was like, let me just quickly do it, help me out, and then he just quickly done them for me and sent me on his way, just like, when a mate pops over and bugs you and he done it, so... But ended up at Flowtech because if you live anywhere near Chadwell Heath, this is the only place to go to get your welding done on your exhaust. So went to see Flowtech. The guys hooked me up big time. So got the car up in the air. By the time I had an egg roll, the car was fixed. Basically, saw the exhaust hanger was broken. He's like, I can easily weld that up, but the reason it broke is because all the other hangers that have been welded back in place at some point are all a bit misaligned, putting too much load in that one. But while I was there, listen. Look at this. This car is famous, I've seen it online, but I've never actually seen it in person. When you just love BMWs and a normal pickup will not do. This guy, man, he's not even online, does nothing online, but well, what a car. So now brakes were done. Painted. The calipers have just been painted so they look alright, and then exhaust is done. So now we just gotta get the car cleaned up, ready for the show. What the fuck, man? Day before the show, look, someone's fucking hit my car, fucking rubbed against the bumper. It's an arsehole. It's the problem with having such a mint daily. Save it, Rob.
You know what he's like, man, he gets upset sometimes.
Oh, man.
If he sees me doing anything mildly disrespectful, that's it. He's going off at me.
No, it's bare love, bro. Just make sure you don't fuck it up.
Well, if I fuck it up, I can't bill you, can I?
You ain't billing me anyway. This is.
You're billing me.
Oh shit, I forgot his birthday.
It's his birthday.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Don't say nothing till tomorrow.
Yeah. Hey, those BMW alloys that you got lurking somewhere.
The plan is clean the inside of the car the night before the show, get it all ready, and then the next morning come to Rob's, use all of his tools and just quickly clean the outside, get it ready for the show, like get it really nice and clean. Didn't want to do it the night before because I knew it was going to rain, so that's what we did. And then this is when all the dramas happened. So Martin's noticed, poor guy, he's like, when did this happen? I was like, what do you mean what happened? When someone's the bearer of bad news, but still I love Martin. At least he noticed it. I didn't even notice. So yeah, Rob was supposed to be at home with his missus. He stayed late to do a quick repair, literally that evening. Rob has just saved me. We are off tomorrow, man, and look what he's done. Mate. And then the next morning, the man just washed the car, got it ready, and Martin sorted out he had to do the razor and then re-ceramic coat that area where Rob had done the correction. Yeah, I know, man. I can't believe it.
So that's an eraser, and we'll get a ceramic now.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, it just needs a little bit touch up and then we're done, man. I can get the hell out of here. Get ready for the show. Get the car ready and you look like a tramp yourself. Go home, quick shower, get ready.
Most important song that the car first out.
But no one's there to see me, are they? Oh, thanks, mate. I can't believe we saved that. Yeah, thanks, mate. And you know what? You know what? It looks amazing. You cannot tell. I mean, unless you go down there with the camera, but you cannot tell. So it was save the day. Thank you so much, guys. And then yeah, now off to the show. Yes, people seeing the cars at this show. It was pretty amazing to see. Where should we start? Should we start with all the old E30 Beamers because they were nice. Look at these. There's plenty to see. There's a whole bunch of E30s. There's a couple of old 5 Series. You just stand there for ages. There was good sounds, good music, a whole bunch of different cars. We had a couple of old Mercs. We had a Skyline. We had the RX-7. This RX-7 was lovely. I got a chance to speak to the owner because, man, what he'd done to it. Just wanted to know, wanted some information. Everyone was really friendly. Where else did I see? I saw there was this stunning M3 E46 and it had this spinning Tiffany ball on there. And what else did we have? So look at this MR2 it's got a full Dulac body kit. It's a forged lump with a Garrett turbo, but what's special is with the bus being dead, I bought this guy's replacement. You don't know about it. I haven't even come on the show yet, but the replacement for the bus, which is now sadly dead, I bought off this guy. He's got an MR2. You know, well, there's another video coming on that. But yeah, some absolutely stunning cars. And credit to Car Culture Club, the guy that put it together. Well done, man. Thanks for inviting us down. Hopefully more of the bangers will be there next year.